Alright. Hi, Stepney. Hi, Thomas. Where are you going? I'm just going to the store, and I'll be back in probably 2 hours. Alright. Alright, I will be going, and please do me a favor. Do not touch the beautiful Nintendo Switch. Oh no. Oh no. Stepney! Why? Yes, Thomas. I'll be a good boy. I won't touch the Nintendo Switch. Okay. So, Stepney, I'll be going to the store, and I'll be back in 2 hours. So don't touch the Nintendo Switch! I really want the Nintendo Switch, but Thomas doesn't want me to touch it. Yes, Nintendo Switch. No, Nintendo Switch. Yes, Nintendo Switch. No, Nintendo Switch. Yes, no. Yes, yo. Yes, yo. Yes, no. Ah! I'm gonna go touch the Nintendo Switch. Oh my gosh, the Nintendo Switch. And it has the pink and green Joy-Cons. Oh, this thing is very cool. I want Thomas to buy more of these Nintendo consoles. They're so great, and they're great and oh no! Moral to behind the scenes of the video. I was pretending the Nintendo Switch broke just for fun, just for the video. Continue. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Please be okay. Please be okay. At least there isn't any cracks, but I hope this still works. Gosh dang it, doesn't work! Where the heck are Joy-Cons? I'm gonna go look for them. 15 minutes later. Well, I couldn't find the Joy-Cons, so Thomas is gonna be really mad at me. Well, I'm just gonna go watch some TV to get my mind off of this. Oh, I can't believe I just busted the Nintendo Switch. Alright, now, let's go watch some TV. Hi, guys. Want to compete in this game where when you win, you get a grand prize. I'll tell you what the grand prize is. The grand prize is a Nintendo Switch. Yippee! So where is this contest anyway? The contest's name is Diesel 10's Grand Prize, the Nintendo Switch. Alright, now, I'll tell you where this contest is. The contest is near Malibu Lane and Center City Avenue. Oh, I know where Malibu Lane and Center City Avenue is. I'm gonna go. The contest will start in 1 minute. Alright, thank you, Mr. Wizard. Now, we have a new contestant. His name is... What's his name? My name is Stepney. His name is Iggy the Tank Engine. Stepney! Oh, Stepney. Sorry, Stepney. His name is Stepney the Tank Engine, and he will be competing. And it's all gonna be on live TV. Me? On TV? Yes, you on TV. Alright. Now here we go. Alright. Start the game now. As you know, they're all getting... Stepney's getting a little too wild, but it doesn't really matter. And he pushes Skarloey, and Skarloey pushes Stepney back. But he fights again, and they both fight. And Skarloey is out of the contest. What? I worked so hard on that. Well, too bad. Get out of here. But I said get out. Fine. And Stepney is the winner for the contest here, and pushes Diesel, and Diesel pushes him back, and Stepney pushes Diesel, and they both fight, and Diesel is out of the contest. Wait, what? Get out. Why? I said get out. Fine. Alright, now here he goes. Duncan is out of the contest. And here he goes. Dodge is out of the contest. No, my twin. Now here we go. Splatter is out of the contest. Now the final contester that Stepney has to beat is Lady. Lady is out of the contest. Does that mean I win? I win fair and square. Ha 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 ha. Well, what do you know? The winner for today's contest is Diesel 261. What? But Diesel 10. What? Diesel 261 wasn't even in the game. Oh, be quiet, you. Oh. Yeah, oh. Yeah, I won the Nintendo Switch, and I am better than all of you. You guys are seriously boring. Ha ha! Wait, what? You're boring! Get out of here! What? You know what? This fighting contest is a rig! This is stupid! Well, I couldn't get the Nintendo Switch, and Thomas is gonna be really mad at me. Stepney? Where's all this noise coming from? Oh, Duke. What is it, Stepney? You gotta help me. Help you with what? I broke Thomas's Nintendo Switch. Please help me. I would never help someone who breaks things. Ha ha, you're dead. You're dead. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. Have fun. Have fun being in trouble. Ha ha ha. Well, I'm gonna have to tell Thomas the truth. Hey, Stepney, I'm back. I hope you didn't touch my Nintendo Switch. You didn't touch my Nintendo Switch, did you? Oh, I would never touch your Nintendo Switch. I'm a good boy. A good boy that would never let you down. Stepney, you're acting very weird right now. Explain yourself this instant. What? Okay, fine, Thomas. I touched your Nintendo Switch and accidentally broke it. I'm so sorry. What the? That means, are you gonna beat me up? Yes. Wait. What? I just remembered that Duke made me do it. Huh? What? Duke? No, it wasn't me. You got it all wrong. It was Stepney. Ow, 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 ow. Well, it means you gotta blame all yourself. Now here we go. See you all in the next video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, and share and comment and tell us what your favorite line from the video is. Tell us in the comments. And always, peace.